All right, YouTubers, with the back with the 2.2 liter, gonna put in the thermostat. I'm gonna use the fail-safe on this 2.2 liter. I've got the gasket and the RTV on, and I've got it on that one, and I got it on this one. All right, a little bit of the RTV. So you're just gonna wanna place your thermostat in. Fits nice and keyed in right there. All right, and then we're gonna put the hose on. I gotta get a couple things out of the way, and then we're gonna use the hardware. The one with the this one goes on top, and this one is the one that's gonna go on the bottom. All right, so I'm gonna put this in here. It's gonna go straight through. I'm gonna move some of these. I got these vacuum hoses not completely correct, but we're just getting this thing back together. So until I can make them look pretty, is the way it's got to be. So you get the idea, guys. This one goes at the top, and then this one goes under the bottom. All right. Good luck. Thanks.